Introducing D-Link's Wireless N home network camera and the day and night network camera, both with My D-Link. A compact design with the latest in wireless technology and the clearest image quality. These cameras can record snapshots according to a schedule or whenever motion is detected. They also come with the free My D-Link service, making them the quickest and easiest way to monitor your home, keep an eye on your kids or even your pets around the house from wherever you are 24/7. On opening the box, you will find an install guide, the camera itself, an Ethernet cable and the power supply. Both cameras are small and stylish, so you can put them virtually anywhere in your home or office. At the back of the camera is a port to connect it via Ethernet, or you can easily connect the camera once it has been initially set up to a wireless network. They come with security built in. Just press this button to switch the wireless security feature on. Both the home network camera and the day and night home network camera feature Wireless N technology to give you the best coverage across your house. The cameras also include microphones so you can hear as well as see all the action. The DCS932L adds infrared LEDs so you can see all the action even in complete darkness. Once you've connected the camera to your internet connection, you can manage it using the My D-Link service. My D-Link, included free on these cameras, means you don't have to worry about complex configurations. In a few easy steps, you will be ready to view your live camera feed on your PC. Or, if you're on the move, you can download the app for your compatible iPhone, Android device or tablet. It really is that easy. Use your home monitoring cameras with D-Link's Powerline wireless adapters, DHP W307AV, and create the reliable connection you need in those hard-to-reach areas, so you can monitor your garage or shed with no lag or interference. Watch this quick demo. My D-Link enabled cameras, the quickest and easiest way to keep an eye on things with your D-Link camera. To find out more, go to www.mydlink.eu.